Hey, boys and girls. Today we are going to be going over Module 4, Lesson 14 Problem Set. And you will find this on page 227 and 228 in your workbooks. So you should have already done these, and now we're just going to go over and check them. So I'm going to go a little bit quick checking them since you've already done the work. But if you have trouble, pause the video so you can see what I'm doing and then see how you did it on your paper and see if there's any problems there or if maybe you just worked it out differently. So we're going to go on and get started. So number 1, find the area of each of the following figures. All figures are made up of rectangles. So this would be 5, and I know that because it tells us down here 2 and 3 centimeters. So 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters is 5 centimeters. So to find the area of this top rectangle, it would be 2 centimeters times 5 centimeters, and that would equal 10 square centimeters. So your next one is you have 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So to find the area of this one, it would be 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which equals 9 square centimeters. So now we're going to go down to B. Oh, sorry. We're supposed to find the whole area. My bad. So now we have to add these together. 10 square centimeters plus 9 square centimeters equals 19 square centimeters. So the area of this whole shape is 19 square centimeters. Now we're going to go down to B. So this says 2 meters and 1 meter. So we know 2 and 1, it makes 3. So this would be 3 meters. This right here would be 1 meter. It tells us right down here. And then this area right here is going to be 2 because we know the whole length is 4. There's 1, 2. We need 2 more. That's where you get the 2. So you have 4 meters times 3 meters equals 12 square meters. Problem is this part has to come out because there's not really a shape there. So that would be 2 meters times 1 meter, which would be 2 square meters. So now we have to subtract. 12 square meters minus 2 square meters equals 10 square meters. So the area of the gray part of this rectangle is 10 square meters. Again, you can pause anytime you need to. So on number 2, it says the figure below shows a small rectangle and a big rectangle. So here's your small one, there's your big one. Find the area of the shaded part of the figure. So we're not finding the white rectangle in there, we're trying to find the area around that. So we know that this is 2 meters and 3 meters. Because right here it says this is 2. That makes 3. We know the whole thing's 5, so there was how we got our 2. So 5 meters times 6 meters, so that's this and this, equals 30 square meters. And then we have to find the area of the white. 2 meters times 3 meters equals 6 square meters. And then we have to subtract. 30 square meters minus 6 square meters equals 24 square meters. So we have to subtract this white rectangle. So the total area is 24 square meters. Now we're going to flip our page and go to the next one. So number 3, it says a paper rectangle has a length of 6 inches and a width of 8 inches. A square with a side length of 3 inches was cut out. So that's this right here. What is the area of the remaining paper? So we want to find the area of all of this because this was cut out. So all of that. So we have 8 inches at the top, 6 inches here, so 6 and 8. It says it was cut, 3 inches was cut out. So 3 inches and 3 inches was cut out. So first thing we have to find the area of the whole rectangle. So 6 inches times 8 inches equals 48 square inches. Now we have to find the area of this, and we're going to subtract it. So 3 inches times 3 inches equals 9 square inches. Now 48 square inches minus 9 square inches equals 39 square inches. So the area of the remaining paper is 39 square inches, and that's what you should have got for here. And now we're going to go down to number 4. Tila and Evan both have paper rectangles measuring 6 centimeters by 9 centimeters. Tila cuts a 3 centimeter by 4 centimeter rectangle out of hers, and Evan cuts a 2 centimeter by 6 centimeter rectangle out of his. Tila says she has more paper left over. Evan says they have the same amount. Well, who's correct? And show your work below. So this is how I worked it out, and you may have done it a bit different. We have Tila and Evan. So there's their rectangles to start with. And that's a 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter, then 9 and 9, because they said they both have a 6 by 9 rectangle. Now it says that Mila cuts out a 3 centimeter by 4 centimeter, and that Evan cuts out a 2 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So we have a 4 centimeter and a 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and a 6 centimeter. So those are the pieces they cut out. So we have to find out, is this area the same as this area? So we have 6 times 9 for the whole thing, which was 54 square centimeters. Then we have to find the area here, which would be 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters, which is 12 square centimeters. And then we're going to subtract. 54 minus 12 is 42 square centimeters. Now we're going to do the same thing over here to see if this area ends up being 42 square centimeters. So 6 times 9, so 6 and 9, and that this whole area would be 54 square centimeters. Now 2 centimeters times 6 centimeters, so this area is 12. 54 minus 12 equals 42 square centimeters. So Evan was correct because they both have 42 square centimeters of paper left. So if you had trouble with any of those, please let your teachers know, and we can help you at our Wednesday meets or before, anytime you need. But now don't forget to go do your exit ticket on page 229 and take a picture of that and submit it to your classroom. Great job.